Good morning. The topic is different types of reproduction in relation to plant breeding. Different types of reproduction in relation to plant breeding. Okay, write down. The mode of reproduction and pollination. The mode of reproduction and the pollination are very important in plant breeding. First up, it helps for one, the detection of genetic constitution of a species. 2. It helps for the control in pollination. 3. It leads for the stability of variety after release. Next is subheading 1. Genetic constitution. The cross-pollinated species are heterozygous. First up, they show loss of vigor by inbreeding. First up, so the asexually producing plants without inbreeding and the generation is raised by clones help to retain its genetic constitution. Then 2. Facility in controlled pollination. Facility in controlled pollination. Yes, this method depends upon controlled system of mating. First up, the desirable plants are selected for the strains strains for crossing. First up, this aspect require many precautions. 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 First up, one should know the details of pollination and the floral structure of the plants taken for crossing. First up, for example, in self-pollinating crops, selfing occur naturally. Semicolon. While in cross-pollinating species, the flowers have to be hand pollinated, hand pollinated, and protected from foreign pollen. Protected from foreign pollen. First up, at the moonamathu. Third, 3. Stability of varieties. Stability of varieties after release. Okay, write down. The self-pollinating varieties are homozygous and natural. First up, the cross-pollination is negligible. 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 First up, they are fairly stable. Fairly. Fairly stable in their genetic constitution. First up, the farmers plant the same seed for several years. First up, the precaution is taken to avoid of types by mechanical measures. First up, similar is the case with asexually reproducing species. First up, next paragraph. But in the case of cross-pollinating species, sufficient care is to be taken to avoid deposition of foreign pollen. First up, next paragraph. In inbreeding, show severe depression, depression, depression in subsequent generation, the farmers have to replace the seeds every year. First up, the replacement of seed is to be done in the case of synthetic varieties. First up, but asexually reproducing crops have no problem of their own. Have no problem of their own. Thank you.